Sana goes to the zoo. It was Saturday. At dinner, everyone in Sana's family would talk about one thing they did during the day. That day, Grandma talked about the carpenter who had come for some woodwork. Daily news. She also talked about the news she had read in the morning newspaper. It was about how a policeman saved a boy from drowning in the river. Then it was Sana's turn. She started telling about going on a picnic with her classmates. Just then, the phone rang. Sana knew it was for Papa. Papa's phone had a beautiful ringing of a cuckoo singing. Papa had stored many singing bird ringtones on his phone. He would often play them one by one for Sana to enjoy. She liked all the ringtones. Papa's boss had called the called. He went away to talk on the phone. He talked for so long that everyone had finished their dinner and had got up to wash their hands. After Sana brushed her teeth, Papa came to read her a story, but she did not want to hear one. Papa asked, "What happened, Sana?" She said, "You did not hear about what I did today." Papa apologized and requested, "Please tell me again." Sana told Papa that her school took her to the zoo for a picnic. Zoo. Write the names of your favorite animal. Everyone had fun in the zoo. They saw many animals there, like an elephant, a lion, a giraffe, a snake, and a crocodile. Papa heard her patiently. So Sana was happy again. She asked Papa to read her a story from book given to her by the class teacher. After a while, she felt sleepy. She said good night and went to sleep. Tick mark the animals, birds, insects, trees, and flowers you have seen around you in real life. helpful police. One Thursday afternoon, Poxo, Sana and Arpit, the three best friends, watched a cartoon show on TV. They liked it. In the cartoon show, the friendly and helpful police rescue a kitten. Can you find the helpful police in the following pictures? Poxo listens. Today Arpit and Sana came to tell me something. Look at how they were standing when one of them spoke. I felt like listening to them and believing them when the other spoke. It was difficult for me to listen to and believe them. Whom did I find easy to believe? I listened to Sana because she looked at me when she talked. She spoke loudly and clearly. That made me listen to her and believe her. When we speak loudly and clearly, people listen better. It is a good habit. Telling your loved ones. I listen to my loved ones. I listen to them well. If something is wrong, I always tell. Tell a loved one as soon as you can. That is the very best safety plan. Telling your loved ones. I listen to my loved ones. I listen to them well. If something is wrong, I always tell. Tell a loved one as soon as you can. That is the very best safety plan. Always follow safety rules and tell a loved one if you are not feeling safe. Arpit learns to ride his bicycle. Arpit got a bicycle on his 6th birthday. It was Friday. He was happy. Papa had promised to teach him how to ride it, but Papa was quite busy. He did not get the time to teach Arpit. Arpit was tired of waiting. One day he took his bicycle to the park and asked an older boy to teach him. The boy agreed and they became friends. Arpit was happy. But soon Arpit was unhappy with his big friends. He did not like the things he was saying. He was always trying to touch Arpit in his private parts. making him feel unsafe. Arpit was unhappy and told Poxo all about it. Poxo said that he should tell his loved ones. Arpit was scared to tell, but Poxo explained that if Arpit told his loved ones, they would help him be safe and he would feel good again. Arpit told his mother about what his friend was saying and doing. His mother said that she was proud that he had told her she would talk to Arpit's friend. After that day, the boy did not trouble Arpit again, and Arpit safely learned how to ride his bicycle from Papa. He was happy again. If you are scared of something or someone, always tell a loved one as soon as you can. The girl who cried wolf. Once upon a time, a shepherd girl lived in a village. She used to take her sheep to a grassy lawn every day. The lawn was near a jungle. One day she felt bored. She wanted to have some fun. So she cried out loudly, "Wolf, wolf, help! The wolf is attacking my sheep. This is so this is so bad." Farmers working in the fields heard her cry. They came running, but to their surprise, they did not find any wolf. They asked the girl, "Where is the wolf?" The girl laughed and said, "I cried just to have some fun. I lied." The next day, the girl cried again, "Wolf, wolf, help! The wolf is attacking my sheep. Please save my sheep." The farmer came rushing to her help. Yet again there was no sign of the wolf. The girl had tricked them once again. Ha 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 ha. Everyone was angry and went back to their work. A few days later, a wolf attacked when the girl was with her sheep. The girl cried as loudly as she could, "Wolf, wolf, help! The wolf is attacking my sheep. Please help me." Everyone heard the girl, but nobody came to rescue her. Everyone thought that she was playing a trick on them again. The wolf killed the sheep and had a feast. The girl quickly climbed a tree that saved her life. Have you ever told a lie? Whom did you lie to? You can share it with your friend Poxo. Arpit and the monster. It was Saturday night. Arpit and his father were talking about a monster in a storybook. The monster could take many scary forms. Arpit was scared of him. When Arpit would see the monster's picture in the book, he would hold his father's hand tightly. But when the monster was defeated and sent back to where it came from, Arpit felt good and safe. Papa, I am scared of the monster. I am not brave. It is okay to be afraid. You can be brave even if you are afraid. How? It is brave to tell when we are scared. So if I tell you that I am scared of this thing or that person, then also am I brave? Which of the monster is the scariest for you? Grandpa, I am scared. Of what? You are brave, good, and told me that auntie who just went, she wanted me to sit with her, and I did not like it. Tell your friend Pakso if you are scared of someone or something.